1. Set clear goals. Identify the tasks that need your attention and prioritize them. This will help you understand what you need to focus on and how much time you need to allocate for each task. 2. Create a schedule. Once you have your goals and priorities in place, create a schedule that outlines when you will work on each task. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you are allocating enough time for each task. 3. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate any potential distractions that might affect your productivity. This could include turning off your phone, creating a designated workspace, or scheduling breaks. 4. Practice self-discipline. Effective time management requires discipline and consistency. Stay committed to your schedule and be disciplined in sticking to it. 5. Learn from your mistakes and adjust. Time management is a continuous process of learning and growth.